Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. A couple of days ago, I was doing some retightening in the top of my hair, and I tell you, it makes a difference. It makes a difference. But good morning, subscribers, and thank you for all that you do to support me and motivate me, inspire me, and just help me to keep going. Good morning and thank you. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, I want you to look below this video, click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. I am trying to get a different look on my hair, and also to tell you a little bit more about the Loc Loop that I had used in a previous video to style my hair for my birthday, when I put in 47 Loc Loops and came out with what I would have called in my younger days almost candy curl like curls. Now, someone asked a question, and if I can find it, I am going to go ahead and post that also in this next clip, so you'll know what I'm trying to address. The Loc Loops. These Loc Loops are so easy to use. So easy to use. This is it. It is made out of the same material that sponge rollers are made of, but they're a little bit firmer. All I have to do, and I will demonstrate that once I really show you this Loc Loop. All I have to do is wrap my hair around it, and once I've finished wrapping it, I just take this end of the loop and take it through this. And it has a groove to hold it there, and it has another groove to hold it for a little less hair. Today I'm going to be using more hair. Today my hair is dry, and I am going to start rodding my hair. And I'm going to call it rodding or looping. I'm going to call it looping. That's what I'm going to call, since this is a Loc Loop. One of the things I said that I would not do was to roll this hair as wet as I did previously, because it took forever to dry and some of it was not dry. I think the question that was asked addressed the comfort of the Loc Loops. And I just want you to know that these loops are very comfortable. They are not uncomfortable at all. It was as if I was sleeping on pretty much nothing. Yeah, it does what it's supposed to do. It gives my hair curl. I am sure that I'll have less curls with this, but I am trying to get a different look. So I will not be using anywhere near 47 Loc Loops this time. I will not. I used a few Loc Loops on one of my clients one day because I purchased 90, and I did take some of them to the salon for the purpose of using them on my clients. And what's also good about it is I can wash these Loc Loops. And whatever hair falls down, I'll just put it in another Loc Loop as I move along. Okay, we're gonna have some curls. Or some waves. Let's just say we're gonna have some waves. Alright, with me talking to you and rolling these, it took me 19 minutes, 39 seconds, and I don't think I started rolling right at the beginning. Yes, and we'll determine how many I have when I take them out. I will see you again soon. I've had these Loc Loops in my hair now for about 2 hours, just doing things in the house, and I'm hoping that I have a little bit of wave. Don't look like there's anything there. Not the Loc Loops' fault, but I should have planned this earlier. Because the Loc Loop will do what it's supposed to do. It is very comfortable. I think these are going to be my go-to curls or curlers. And all I did was mist my hair with water, and in here is a little bit of lavender oil just for scent. Yep, it's giving me a different look though. One thing I can say is that the Loc Loop will allow you to stretch your hair if you pay attention to that. So if you just want your hair to be stretched, you can use these Loc Loops to do that as well. Oh, I forgot to count, guys. I'll look back at the video and then determine how many I took out. Or if you were watching from the very beginning and you decided to count, then you can say it in the comments if I don't mention it later. Do I like it or do I like it? I like it a lot. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because he gave me a message today. My message, the message to me was, don't let life get in my way. And I will not. I will not. My 360. Have a great day. Thanks.